If you clicked on this video, then congratulations. You're going to make the biggest comeback of your life, one so powerful, it will leave everyone stunned. So if you're even 1% serious about transforming your life, watch this video without any distractions. And for those who think this is just another ordinary video, feel free to leave right now. Let me ask you something. How many years have gone by where you made promises to yourself, set goals, and swore things would change? Yet by the end of the year, you found yourself in the same place. How many times have you let fear, procrastination, or self-doubt keep you from becoming the person you know you're capable of being? So today, I'm giving you 5 challenges, and I bet that if you follow these 5 rules, you will be successful in life. Step 1. Own your story. Your past doesn't define you. The mistakes, the failures, the missed opportunities, they were all lessons, not punishments. Stop carrying the weight of regret into every new year. Let it go. You can't move forward if you're chained to what's behind you. Tell yourself, I am not my past. I am my potential. Step 2. Set relentless goals. Most people fail because they set vague, meaningless goals. I want to lose weight. I want to make more money. That's not enough. Be specific. Say, I will lose 10 pounds by March 1st, or I will save $5,000 by June 30th. Break it down into actionable steps and don't just write your goals, obsess over them. Let them consume you. Step 3. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Growth and comfort cannot coexist. Every time you shy away from a challenge or avoid stepping out of your comfort zone, you rob yourself of the opportunity to grow. In 2025, make it your mission to embrace discomfort. Face your fears head on. Speak up when you're scared to. Take the risks you've been avoiding. The version of you that you're chasing is waiting on the other side of your comfort zone. Step 4. Discipline. Motivation is temporary. It's fleeting. There will be days in 2025 when you won't feel like doing what needs to be done. That's where discipline comes in. Discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early when you'd rather sleep in. It's working on your goals when everyone else is out partying. Discipline equals freedom. Step 5. Cut the noise. Social media, negative people, endless distractions. If you're serious about making 2025 your year, you need to cut the noise. Protect your focus like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Consume content that uplifts and educates you. Your environment matters. Step 6. Take responsibility. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop waiting for someone to save you. No one is coming. 2025 will only change if you change. Take full responsibility for your life. If something isn't working, fix it. If you don't know how, learn. Stop waiting for the perfect time, because the perfect time doesn't exist. Step 7. Visualize, believe, act. Visualize the life you want as if it's already yours. Close your eyes and see it. Every detail. Feel it. Now, believe you deserve it, because you do. But don't stop there. Act. Take massive, consistent action every single day. The universe rewards those who work for what they want. 2025 is a blank canvas, and you're the artist. Every decision you make, every habit you build, every action you take, it's a brushstroke on the masterpiece of your life. Don't waste another year living below your potential. Don't let another December come where you're filled with regret. This is your year. This is your time. Make 2025 the year they all remember as the moment you came back stronger than ever. Now stop watching videos after this one and start executing, because the clock is ticking and your comeback story is waiting to be written.